Hi friends, in this video I have a very rare category WordPress theme, and this is for golf course, and the theme is Brentwood, and the Brentwood is niche category WordPress theme for golf course and events. And if you are in plan for making a website for golf course, it is going to be a end of your search because it is a niche for this category, and the theme was developed in 2015 and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and it has a great look, professional look. This is why I selected this theme to be on this channel. So in this video we are going to install the Brentwood WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also see the customization options and theme options. So you have to be here, watch this video until end, as I am going to show you all the options available in this theme. So let us begin the installation without any further delay. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have some additional files, documentation, licensing, some plugins are here, JS Composer, Pro Elements and Revolution Slider, and the main theme file is here. So let us move to the themes section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the main theme file, Brentwood theme.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. And yes, it is being uploaded now, and the theme file size is really optimized, and it is just having 15.18 MB in size. Okay, so it is a well optimized, and both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can use the WordPress interface for uploading the theme, or you can directly upload on the server, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Brentwood Pro, in which we got all the theme components. And let us delete this macOS, it is not required in fact, and we can delete the zip one, we have already extracted the parts from it. Okay, now we are fine to go in the theme section again, and we have now Brentwood add another theme option, and this is Brentwood version 2.9. okay, so we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme, and let us check what plugins are here. And all plugins are recommended only, and we can even skip to install them, but it is required for running this theme. I don't know why it is written as recommended. Okay, fine. So okay, so Visual Composer is here, Breadcrumb, one-click demo importer, eCommerce. Okay, so this theme also supports eCommerce, and contact from CB and CMB2. okay, so I'm choosing to install all the plugins, all the 10 plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid installation errors. And all the plugins has been installed now in just few seconds, and also activation has been completed. So we can simply click on the dashboard. It may require a basic setup of eCommerce because we have also installed the eCommerce in fact. And okay, yes, it is going to eCommerce welcome page, and it needs certain information. You should put all such credentials here, and I am skipping as I am just illustrating the theme. It is not required for me, but it is applicable to you. Just fill all this information, and now eCommerce is also installed, and we have now installed the theme and plugins, so we can check our website how it looks. This is the basic look of Brentwood WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content, and we have a target website like this. So at this stage we have to go for importing the demo content to make the website like demo website. Okay, so demo importer is lying under the appearance section, so import demo data is here, and yes, so we have option to import demo data here, and simply click on that, and it is indicating that we can install certain plugins, but it is not required. So I am simply click on import, and importing content has been started, and it may take up to 5 minutes as I calculate. So it is going to connect the developer server in fact, and it may take some time, and we have to be here without refreshing or leaving this page. Let it be completed. Okay, so you will reach on this screen once the demo content gets imported and it gets complete. So congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can begin editing your site. Let us check the site. And it is wonderful. All the contents are here as in demo, and we can check the pages as well. It is really a great theme, and it is working very fast in fact. So mega menu, events calendar, and all such things are here, and it has got a very stunning and wonderful look. So, and it was very simple to install in fact, and eCommerce is also here, new section is also here. So it is a complete website, and we can use these pages, ready-made pages, for our website as well, and we just need to put the original content and our website will be fine to go. Now I am going to show you the theme options. So since we have successfully installed the theme, and now I am going to show you the theme options. It is nothing like theme option in fact, nothing is additional here, so everything is as common as in WordPress. So I believe it can be controlled through the customize options. So let us check the customize. We have already used the import demo data, and customize is here. Okay, so all settings are laying under customize only. So this is the general setting, general layout, logo, and all such things can be controlled from here. Page loader, Google Analytics, custom CSS, header setting is here, sticky navigation, header background, navigation and sub navigation, body, so body typography, heading, page title, sidebar buttons, blog styles, body background, box layout background, events and eCommerce styles. Okay, good. Events style and footer background, typography, top button, menus, widgets, eCommerce, additional CSS and Google Maps. So all settings has been given under the appearance customized tab, so you can control your website completely from here. And just in case you want to edit the content of page, I'll show you, as you need to install okay, so edit the page content as well. So this theme uses the bakery page builder, so simply open the page and click on edit with WP bakery page builder. And what I'll advise you to take a backup at least of home page before starting your edit, so that just in case you made any mistake you can restore the page. And the front end loader, editor loads bit slow of WP Bakery. So you can use backend editor as well. However, it is loaded here, and just click on the pencil icon whatever you want to edit. And this is revolution slider part. Just in case you want to edit the heading, just click on the pencil icon and you will be fine to edit anything available on the page. So you can see, and I'll show you the backend editor as well. And this is the backend editor, and from here you can add or remove sections as well, so it is fine, and I recommend to use the backend editor itself. So everything is fine, and I have covered all the things about this theme, and I believe you like this video and you have already subscribed this channel, and I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress themes, utilities and plugins for you. Thanks for watching.